In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell stocks using the Cash App investing platform. So maybe you're someone who's purchased stocks or you're thinking about purchasing stocks and now it's time to sell them to make some money. Well, I'm going to help you out with that process from start to finish. If you have any questions about anything throughout this video, leave a comment down below and I will answer every single question you have. If you want a free stock through the Robinhood investing platform, then use my link down in the description of this video to open up an account. Once you do that, you will get a free stock worth up to $200. Now, I did it one time and I actually got a share of Facebook for free, which is now worth $260. So it was pretty cool. Use my link in the description to open up an account with them and get your free stock. To start selling your stocks, first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your Cash App. And when you open it up, you're going to be to the screen where you can request and pay money. So we're going to go ahead and click on the squiggly lines right there. So this is going to give you a view of what all of your stocks are worth at this point in time. All of mine are worth $162.45. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down to our portfolio. Now we're going to choose one that we maybe want to sell. So in this case, I'm going to choose to sell 3M. So I've got 3M right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that stock. And this is where I'm going to choose to sell it. So if I scroll down a little bit, I can see how much I've invested so far, the total I've invested. So in this case, $5, and my total gains are 33 cents. So if I want to see that based on a percentage, I can go ahead and click the three dots right there. And this is going to give me my return. So my unrealized gains is 6.6%. So what unrealized gains are what your gains are before you actually sell the stock. So once I sell the stock, it'll actually change from unrealized gains to realized gains. So that's always one thing to remember. And you don't actually make or lose money when you're investing until you actually sell. So right now is that point where you're actually going to either make money or lose money. So if you're down on your stocks, then it might not be the best time to sell. You might want to let it sit for a little bit longer to hopefully increase in value. Hopefully those stocks increase in value. So that's one thing to always remember. Don't just sell because this stock is down. Wait for it to possibly go up. And sometimes it just takes time for that stock to increase in value. So don't panic sell. That's one thing I want to get across to you right now. So we're going to go ahead and click the X. But if you still want to sell, then this is what I'm going to show you right here. So we're back to my 3M stock. And we're going to go ahead and hit sell. And since I am filming this on the weekend, the stock market is open from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, as long as it's not a holiday. So because I'm filming this on a weekend, my trade isn't actually going to go through until Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. So I get to choose how much I want to sell. So there's a couple things that we can do. I can go ahead and sell all of it, or I can sell $1 or whatever increment I want up to $5.33. So I can choose to sell all. So I'll hit next and I have to put in my cash pin. If you're getting some value from this video, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. And then it's going to tell me, okay, what is my order going to be filled at? So what's the price that it's going to sell at? Well, at this point, it's $161.71. When the market opens, who knows? That could go up, that could go down slightly. It just depends. So as long as you place this right now, then first thing Monday morning, hopefully it's going to be about as close to the $161.71 as it says right there, but there's no guarantee because once the market starts to open, the prices usually go up and down pretty erratically on a shorter term basis. So just keep that in mind. It might not actually sell at what it says right there. So we're going to go ahead and hit schedule. And we're going to be done. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is, say it's Sunday night and you get some news that 3M had amazing profits. So you're expecting the stock to go up. So you say, hey, I don't want to sell yet. I actually want to hold on to that stock. So you need to cancel the trade. Well, luckily, since you placed this trade outside of the stock market, outside of the window of the stock market being open, you can actually go ahead and cancel this trade if you really want to. So what you're going to do that is you're going to go ahead and hit the clock over there to the bottom right. And this is going to give you a list of your pending trades. So in this case, we've got our 3M to sell all of it. So if we want to cancel it, all we have to do is hit cancel right there. Are you sure you want to cancel the sale of this stock? Yes. And then it'll go through. Then it's canceled for you. But you have to make sure, don't click off this screen or close this screen until you're sure that it's not under the pending trades at that point. Because who knows, you might accidentally sell it and you didn't really want to because you didn't wait for it the pending trade to go through to cancel it. So always keep that in mind. If you want to know how to make money on Cash App investing, watch the top video next. If you want to learn more about investing through the Robinhood app, then watch the bottom video next.